So first, we have Jenna Rindy giving a talk titled Effects of Forest Fragmentation and Urbanization on Removal of Particulate Matter by Trees. Jenna.
Thanks, Evan. There's a lot of words in that title, so I'm going to start with particulate matter. You can go to the next slide. Particulate matter, or PM, as I'll call it from here on out, is a form of pollution that in urban areas mainly comes from the combustion of fossil fuels and can be made up of things like dust, soot, nitrates, and sulfates. Next, PM is bad for human health and for the environment. The particles can cause pulmonary issues when they're inhaled, and they're actually so small that they can enter the bloodstream and cause cardiovascular issues. So PM also causes issues with visibility in urban areas and can heat up its surroundings. So because of that, we're looking for ways to remove PM from the atmosphere. And one method of PM removal is through the use of trees. Next. Tree leaves scrub the PM from the air through two main methods, and the PM is retained on the leaves until a rain event or until the leaves fall to the ground. Next. So to investigate the interactions between trees and PM, my research asks if humans experience the same amount of PM when walking along a forest edge, like on the left side, where a forest is fragmented and open, versus when walking inside an intact forest, like on the right side. Next. To do that, I'm placing passive samplers for PM on trees at forest edges, like this one here on the top right, and on trees in the forest interior, like on the bottom right. The forests range from rural areas to urban areas to provide insight into how PM changes with urbanization. So from a biological standpoint, I'm also removing leaves from the same trees to investigate if the PM is causing damage to the leaves themselves. Next. I'm investigating the passive samplers and leaves using a scanning electron microscope in hopes of understanding how much PM humans are exposed to in two different sampling locations and how much PM trees are exposed to as well. Next. This is an example of my work. So you're looking at a scanning electron microscope photo of the leaf. The top arrow is pointing to a piece of PM in the form of soil, and the bottom arrow is pointing to a piece of pollen. Next. Overall, my work will help researchers understand how PM harms both human and tree health. City planners will be able to apply the results of my work when discussing tree canopy equity and the benefits of urban trees provide for human health, while accounting for the potential harm trees incur from PM. Thank you so much.